lovies, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or hi if you're new. Today we'll be filming a highly requested room tour. Every single time I post a video, everyone always asks for a room tour, so I'm thinking I should finally give it to you guys because you guys have been waiting so long and my room is kind of done. I always do add to it, obviously, it's my little museum, but at the moment it's kind of all good and I think it's perfect to show you guys. It's just turned 6 p.m. right now, so the sun is setting and everything's going more aesthetically in my room. The fairy lights are on, the candles on, so this will be such a pleasing view, so I really hope you guys enjoy this. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share and comment if you want more content just like this. I do really appreciate all of the support because a lot of you guys do know that I do have autism, so in my room tour I think you may see that because a lot of teenage girls my age maybe have different interests. However, me, with my all of that, some things might be a bit crazy for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoy and I hope everything is good. I won't be talking in this video as much because I want you guys to have that kind of aesthetic video feel, so grab a drink, grab a snack and let's get into the video. That is my room tour. Hi lovies, I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, let me know by subscribing, liking the video or even commenting, and I really hope you'll stick around to the next one. Literally, as I told you guys, it is so cozy. It's like a mini museum with toys, with makeup, with fashion, and it's a girl's dream, especially my dream, and I made that dream happen. But I'm really grateful for everything, and if you guys want any links to anything, any furniture, let me know and I'll give it straight away. Don't forget my socials are down below, both at Stassi Princess on TikTok and Instagram, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you lovies. Have a good day. Mwah. Bye.